So if you've created an account with Constellix, you're going to realize that there's a lot of different interfaces, a lot of different things. And the first thing is we wanted to separate out billing. Billing doesn't need to be seen by a lot of people that do a lot of DNS pieces. Monitoring doesn't need to be done by this. Some people are just using us for monitoring. Some people are just using us for DNS. Some people are using us for both. And so we wanted to build a system where we can incorporate all those different business models. We didn't want to have one system that's a real big DNS piece with a heavy monitoring piece, because people that just want monitoring have to weave their way through DNS. So we wanted to build a system so they worked cohesively together. They worked in real time. They worked fast for you. So when you first create an account in Constellix, you're going to realize you're going to the management interface. And if you have not done it yet, feel free to sign up, and you can create an account at any time. And once you create an account, you're going to get a login. And I'm just going to log in real quickly over here to an account that I've set up to do testing. So when you log in, you can see I'm logging in as an admin to my account. And what that means is, as an admin to my account, is that I have the ability, let me expand this window a little bit so it looks a little better. There we go. So I have the ability to create additional users, and I have the ability to change users' access within the system. So, and then when I create my individual sub-users, I could turn on and off if they have access to the DNS piece. I have turn on and off if they have access to Sonar. And I have access if they have access to the billing interface. And also I can enable or disable an account. Now, you cannot disable your own access. Just in case you try to fat finger it, or you make a mistake, you can't lock yourself out. But another admin in your account can turn off access to yourself. This is what the admins can do to create accounts. You can add additional users within your account, and likewise, we also we allow two-factor authentication. Enabling two-factor authentication is pretty simple. Each user has to enable it for themselves, of course, but you can go to edit your info, and then you could enable the multi-factor authentication. Click activate. This is one of those time-based tokens. You could use Authenticator. The Google Authenticator is one of the most popular ones. You scan your QR code, you enter your code, and you've now verified it. So you're now two-factor authentication. That's the exact same authentication for DNS and for Sonar and for everything. But if you lost your phone, the only thing you'd have to do is another administrator would go into the accounts and they would turn off two-factor for you. So this way, administrators can look and they can audit which of their users has two-factor turned on, and they can turn it off if necessary to help their users out. You don't need to contact a Constellix support representative to deal that for you.